Welcome to the Instruments and Tech Guru. Today we discussed about pressure gauges. In this video, we have discussed the types of pressure gauges. 1. Bourdon tube pressure gauge. 2. Diaphragm pressure gauge. 3. Capsule pressure gauge. 4. Absolute pressure gauge. 5. Differential pressure gauge. 6. Bellows pressure gauge. 7. Manometer pressure gauge. 8. Piezometer pressure gauge. The bourdon gauge consists of a tube bent into a coil or an arc. As the pressure in the tube increases, the coil unwinds. A pointer connected to the end of the tube can be attached to a lever and a pointer calibrated to indicate pressure. A diaphragm pressure gauge uses the deflection of a thin, flexible membrane to measure fluid pressure in a system. The diaphragm isolates internal components from the media, making this gauge suitable for corrosive or contaminated liquids or gases. Capsule pressure gauges are used to measure extreme low pressures as low as 16 mmBr. The case houses a sensitive element built up from two diaphragms welded together to form a capsule. When the pressure is applied to the capsule deflects outwards or inwards. A bellows pressure gauge consists of a flexible metal bellows that expands or contracts in response to changes in pressure. The expansion and contraction converts into a readable measurement by a connected mechanical or digital display. A manometer is an instrument used to measure and indicate pressure. There are two types of manometers: analog and digital. A piezometer is either an instrument used to measure liquid pressure in a system by measuring the height to which a column of the liquid increases against gravity, or a device that measures groundwater pressure at a specific point. अगर आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद। जय भारत।